Hello guys, in previous video we have explained introduction to remix. Today I am gonna talk about what is the marketing mix. The marketing mix is a well established conceptual framework that helps marketers to structure their approach to each market. It should be re-examined and reapplied for the online world. What is the marketing mix? The marketing mix rose to prominence in the early 1960s, although it was first referred to in 1949 at an American Marketing Association conference. Around the start of the 1960s, Canadian Jerome McCarthy coined the term the 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. The 4 P's, which are product, price, place, and promotion, are control variables which, when planned and carefully mixed together in the right way, satisfy customers. In 1963, Bartle said a marketer is like a chef in a kitchen, a mixture of ingredients. So what are the ingredients that marketers need to mix together to satisfy customer needs? Some of the controllable factors include product quality, product availability, product image, product price, and service. Extending the mix. Since that time, many have argued that the 4 P's work for products rather than services. American academics Bohms and Bittner then developed the 7 P's, sometimes now as a service mix. Bohms and Bittner, 1981. They considered the extra P's curricular in the delivery of services, people, processes, and physical evidence. People create and deliver a service. If they are not happy, the service falls apart. Processes are even more important, as the process of production is not behind closed doors, as in the case of products, but open for all to see. Finally, when buying intangible services, many customers rely on cues given from physical evidence such as uniforms, budgets, and buildings. Some feel that for interactive marketing, Peepers and Rogers 51s should replace the 7 P's in the information age. Do your online efforts support identification? Customer specifies in individualization, tailored for lifetime purchase, instruction dialogue to learn about customers' need, integration of knowledge of customers into all parts of the company, integrated developed trust through non-intrusive marketing such as permission marketing. The 51s do not supplant the 7 P's but rather are complementary to them, since the 51s define the process needed. While the 7 P are the variables that the customer controls. Another explanation of the mixed emerged when Albert Farrer suggested that the mix of marketing variables can be categorized into two groups: the offering and the methods and tools. The offering: product, packaging, service, and brand. Second one is the methods and tools: distribution channels, personal selling, advertising, and sales promotion. Mixing the mix. Regardless of the approach to the mix, the same principle applies. Stick close to customers, use marketing research to learn what they need and supply it better than the competition by mixing the right mix. Marketers mix the mix in different ways, sometimes with degree of success. The mix can be mixed in different ways to satisfy different segments. But the increased price transparency made possible through price compression sites means that it can be difficult to compete online as a trusted brand differentiating on premium service quality alone. Customer Management 2007 reported in a survey of UK online shoppers that almost half, 48%, failed to remain loyal to a favorite brand if a competitor was running a special offer. Only 28% saw that they would remain loyal to a brand regardless. Although the behavior reported by customers may be different to their actual behavior. Customer behavior seems to be start with the product and then select supplier on price, but with the preference for now brands where there is a higher level of trust. Sites now start with reviews of products with alternative listings of suppliers list by price. For example, Revo www.revo.com rates products according to individuals' opinions, but information on retailers at the time of writing is limited to price and whether the brand is now.